All right, guys, so I just got a case from Native Union for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and literally it came in this little bag right here. It looks like it's a recycle bag of some sort. But yeah, this is the first case ever that I've ever received in a bag like this instead of in a paper box. It came out of the Amazon box like this. So anyway, these guys are very proud of their design. Native Union, Paris. I did pay this with my own money, by the way. So FYI, they did not send me this case at all. And yeah, literally, the case came out of the bag like this. Look at this case. Isn't it awesome? Beautiful felt texture, I guess, on the inside. And look, it even says it's made from recycled material. Yeah, they're very proud. The one thing that if you look on the back of this, you're not going to notice is that it's actually a MagSafe case. See, so if you turn to on this side right here, you see the circle. This is a MagSafe case, but on the back, you would never know. Isn't that cool? Speaking of the back, check out the texture that's on this thing. I was exposed to these guys by one of my friends. He gave me an AirPod Pro case from these guys, and I totally love it. The leather on there feels really good, and so that's why I wanted to try their phone cases out. So on the back right here, you see part of it, 20% of it, is a kind of a felt leather-ish. Maybe it's pleather. Maybe it's pleather, but it feels like leather here. But yeah, really nice. All right, you know what? Let's pop this thing in. Okay, so first thing I noticed already is that this is a very tight fit. Very tight fit. It's snapped onto everything. The one thing that you're gonna notice is that it doesn't try to push it all the way in like some of the cases. So if you have a screen protector, it won't touch that at all. So I have a screen protector on here. I'm not sure you can see that in the camera, but it doesn't touch it at all. You see that? Some of the other cases out there, because the border is so thick that it would push against my screen protector, and it would, you know, make the screen protector come off, which is kind of weird. But yeah, this design right here won't touch your screen protector at all. The only exposed piece back on the side right here is the silent switch. If you feel your finger through here, you can feel the buttons. It's kind of extruded out a little bit. So you can feel that. They didn't have to cover this button this way, to be honest with you, but they did. And it feels really good when you press against it because it has a little give to it, like tactile feel to it. Really nice case. So down here, the cut looks really good, right? And then this is not the biggest camera bump protection that I've seen. They try to keep it pretty minimal back here, but as you can see, if I like this, you can see that it's gonna protect the camera just fine. But yeah, I just want to show you this case. It's pretty cool, pretty unique. Came in a little pouch like this. Never seen it done before. Anyway, that's Native Union iPhone 14 Pro Max case right there with MagSafe. Oh, you know what? Let me test out the MagSafe real quick. Right here. Yep, so the MagSafe works, and at the same time, pretty strong, I would say. So if you're riding in your car and it shakes like this, I think it'll hold on to it. This thing is pretty hefty, this MagSafe charger. That's it right there, Native Union iPhone 14 Pro Max case. Have a good one. Bye-bye.